guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode is all about 1042S na galing sa US. Kung anong dapat natin gawin dito. Sa isa ka ba sa nagtataka kung bakit ka naka-receive ng ganito? Actually guys, kung wala kayo na-receive na by mail, for sure nandun sa Google AdSense nyo or by email, marireceive nyo ito. Ano ba yung dapat natin gawin dito? So you don't need to do anything about this 1042S unless there are may mga hindi accurate na details dito. And how to reduce the tax rate from 30% na nakikita nyo dito, pwede nating i-reduce yan by watching this video. So there are two parts of my video. First is what to do with this, and the second part is how to reduce the rate or how to update our tax for this 2022. So panoorin nyo yan guys para hindi kayo malito sa mga ibang gagawin natin as we earn from YouTube. Disclaimer guys, or just to remind you na lahat ng sabihin ko dito is based on my research, based on my knowledge, based on kung paano ko inintindi yung mga video na napanood ko from YouTube and also what I've researched from the Google. Case-to-case basis kung ano yung nakalagay dito sa ating 1042S. So let's watch and learn from this video. This is the envelope that I am pertaining to. So it came from XXVI Holdings Inc. or 26 Holdings Inc. from Ashland, Vancouver. So as what it says in the envelope, important tax return document enclosed. So open natin siya kung ano yung mga laman nito. And I think this is 3 copies. 1, 2, and 3. And this is 1042S, Foreign Persons US Source Income Subject to Withholding, year 2021. And we have a copy B and also copy C. And another one is the copy D, which is makikita nyo dito. Ayan. So, this is a copy D. They have different functions. So, copy B will be our own for recipient. So, sa atin yan, for keeping natin. And for copy C naman, nakalagay dyan is attached to any federal tax return you file. So, once na magta-tax kayo sa US, ipapadala nyo itong copy C. And for the copy D naman, over here, attached to any state tax return you file. So, for example, bigatin ka dito sa Pilipinas and malaki yung ini-income mo sa US, you can file this copy D dito naman sa ating local tax, sa BIR natin. Okay guys, as you can see, my tax rate for 2021 is 30, which is 30%. And my federal tax withheld is 7. But, ipapakita ko guys sa inyo kung paano natin i-reduce yung tax rate niya from 30 to 0 or 15 rate. Okay guys, because Philippines is part of the tax treaty ng US. So, we have the rights also na i-lower nila yung tax rate. Do I need to do anything with my 1042S? Generally, no. As long as accurate lahat ng information doon. Who prepares the 1042S? Actually, si Google po for our AdSense earnings. So, ipapadala lang sa atin si YouTube na bahala dito. Ayan. So, let's start how to reduce or update our 2022 tax. So, first, go to your payments info. Siyempre, open mo siya sa Google AdSense and they check the take me there kasi nga may notification naman. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo guys, ang tax rate dito is 30%. Ayan nga, kagaya ng mention ko. So, change natin yan. So, 0 to 15%. So, start new form, start tax form, and maglalagin siya kasi it will require you for security purposes. Then, click the next lang. Then, loading lang. Hintayin nyo lang siya. So, ayan na guys, United States Tax Info. So, ititanungin kayo kung ano yung filing niyo. So, just click the individual. Click next. Are you a citizen or resident of US? No. Next. And then, ayan, tatanungin lang sa inyo. And then, start W-8 Ben form. Individual, input your name lang and then put the country or region. Ilalagay nyo dyan yung Philippines. And then next, put your TIN number. So, pwede mong input yung TIN number mo dito sa Pilipinas kasi they require naman the foreign TIN. So, it's okay kasi nga, you can file this tax naman dito sa local government natin like BIR. And also, put the next. So, lagay mo lang yung address mo para ma-update yung mailing address mo. But, I prefer for the paperless para na din makahelp tayo sa ating environment as well as para wala tayong masyadong madaming gamit na papel sa ating bahay. So, lalagay lang lahat dyan. Check the mailing address para isa lang. And then, click the next. Next natin dyan is about sa tax treaty. Ayan. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? So, Philippines and the US have a tax treaty. So, papakita ko yan guys. So, ito siya. Nakalist ang Philippines sa United States Income Tax Treaty. So, we can claim 0 or 15% tax rate for this matter. Ayan. So, balik ulit tayo dun sa form natin. Ayan. So, yes lang natin. Kasi nga nakalagay dun. Ilagay mo yung region mo ulit. Kasi nga, Philippines is part of the US Tax Treaty. And then, click the services such AdSense. Click the Article 8, Paragraph 1. Click the 0 Reduced Treaty Rate. Check nyo ulit yan. And then, Motion Picture. Drop down arrow. Article 13, Paragraph 2A, 15%. Then, click ulit yan. Then, another Copyright Royalties. Article 13, Paragraph 2A, 15%. And then, tick mark ulit yon. So, click the next. And then, click the I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents. Then, click the next. Ayan. So, are you a person listed in the signature section? Yes. Then, put your name. Kung ikaw nga ba yung mismong may-ari ng YouTube. Ayan. Then, click next. Then, activities and services performed in the US. No, and then, status change affidavit. Click nyo din yung I certify. Ayan, tatanungin dito if you are already nababayaran ka na ba ng YouTube or hindi pa. So, we will click the second one kasi nga mayroon naman na tayong previously received payments. And then, click the under penalties, blah, blah, blah. And then, changes. Wala naman tayong changes. So, just check the next or click the next button again. Pwedeng changes yan if you have your address, mga ganon, or your name. Yan, pwede naman. Pero kung wala naman, just click the next. Next. Yan. So, go paperless. Yan yung sinasabi ko, guys, para at least makahelp tayo sa environment. Ayan. Wala na kayong marireceive by mail, kundi by email or dun sa ating mismong Google AdSense account. Then, click the submit ulit. Ayan. So, yan na guys. As it stated, claim na natin ang 15%, 15%, and 0% services WHT rate. Ayan guys. So, na-change natin ang ating tax. I hope medyo mababawasan yung rate natin. Kasi nga, di ba, nagbabayad naman tayo ng withholding tax din sa US. Ayan. So, thank you for watching guys. Ayan. Sana may natutunan kayo. Kindly like and subscribe. Bye-bye!